Welcome to OneIndiana.net. Browse-only licenses allow you to search the state of Indiana's QPAs to view item-level pricing in detail. Please note that participating QPA vendors are being added to the system weekly. Upon logging in, you will arrive at your personalized OneIndiana dashboard or homepage. At the top of the dashboard is My Messages section. Important information regarding new or expired QPAs and any system updates will be communicated here. If you require information regarding QPAs that have not yet been included in OneIndiana.net, a complete list of state QPAs is included through this site listed at the link in My Messages. In addition, Governor Daniels' homepage can be accessed by selecting the link located in the middle of your dashboard. Your dashboard is pre-configured with shopping lists that highlight commonly purchased items and market baskets where the state has negotiated its most aggressive pricing. You can also create your own custom shopping lists for frequently purchased items. At the top of your dashboard and on each and every page within the OneIndiana site, you will find the navigation bar. Click the Home tab to return to this page from anywhere within the site. The Browse tab allows you to access your cart, shopping lists, or My Catalogs. There are two primary ways to browse the catalog. One is using the My Catalog drop-down, and secondly, using the search bar in the upper right-hand corner at every page within the site. By selecting My Catalogs, you'll be able to see a list of all catalogs included in the system. Like catalogs are organized and listed together by category. Certain catalogs can be listed in more than one category. For small catalogs, we recommend that you use this feature. Simply click on the vendor's logo to access their catalog, then select the category you'd like to browse. For example, if you needed a new BlackBerry phone, you could select the Communications category and then Verizon and Wireless Services. Once you click on the category, you look for the product that you'd like to purchase. In this situation, your BlackBerry phone. If you click on the BlackBerry phone, product description will be displayed. The description includes all the functionality and specs of this phone. At the bottom of the product detail, you'll see a calculated savings of this QPA. You'll also see vendor information, both email addresses and phone numbers of the vendor, so that you can contact the vendor directly to make purchases. Some vendors provide images in a different format. These images trigger a pop-up asking if you want to display a non-secure item. For example, under fitness equipment, if you're looking at fitness equipment and select the BGI Fitness catalog, this catalog will trigger a pop-up. Just select Yes to display these pictures. This will not compromise your system in any way. We are working with the vendors to obtain HTTPS formatted images in an effort to limit these pop-ups. Using the search function is also an effective way to browse for items in larger catalogs. For example, for catalogs like Dell or Staples who have thousands of items, it's easier to type in a product item number or product description. In searching for trash liners and typing that in here, click Search and that will search across all QPAs that are loaded in the system. For trash liners, you'll see both Acorn Distributors and Staples come up. If you'd like to just search on items within a particular catalog, you can limit the search to the vendor here by selecting Staples. Within the advanced search box, you'll notice the option to show only green or low-cost alternatives. Most vendors have not provided data on green and low-cost products, but we are working with them to include this data in the future. An easy way to organize items that you're interested in purchasing is to use the shopping cart function. In your search results, click on Add to Cart to save the item to your shopping cart for future reference. Within the cart view, you will notice you can print the cart, continue shopping, save the cart as a shopping list, empty the cart, or update the cart. I'm going to continue shopping and add that BlackBerry phone we were viewing earlier. By typing in BlackBerry, I can indicate that I either want to search across all vendors or Verizon, Sprint. In this instance, I'll search all catalogs. And add the Verizon BlackBerry to my cart. You can also add items by item number at the bottom of your cart. In looking at the bottom of your cart, you'll notice the checkout button. The browse-only license does not permit checkout. For those interested, please select the Why Can't I Checkout link. This will give you the ability to upgrade to an easy purchase license with a free 90-day trial. This will allow you to automatically submit requisitions or purchase orders to vendors. Creating shopping lists is useful if you'd like to organize frequently purchased items. The first way to do that is to save all the items in your cart to a shopping list. Name your list and save it here. Again, the list will display on the dashboard of your homepage. My shopping list. You can also add items to shopping lists or create new shopping lists by going to the Browse tab and clicking on Create New Shopping List. If you have several items to upload, you can upload it here with the template, or you can add them individually. By clicking Add Item once you type in the item number. Shopping lists can be created by vendor, or they can be created with a number of vendors included in the list. You can update the list. Name the list. And update the list. Once the list is updated, select the Return to List button, and you'll see my new list listed there as well. Thank you for using OneIndiana.net. If you have any questions regarding using the software, please contact our software provider, Business Purchasing Solution, at the contact information listed under the Contact Us tab. If you have any questions regarding specific products or QPAs, please contact the vendor directly. We look forward to working with you.